Hi everyone. Today I want to introduce you to a website called Quizizz.com. Quizizz.com. So I had never heard of Quizizz before until I started researching something similar to Kahoot. But it has some features that Kahoot doesn't have, and Kahoot has features that Quizizz doesn't have as well. So first of all, when you come to this website, it's totally a free-based website. So I created an account, a basic account, which is free. You can upgrade, but you don't have to at all. So what is so cool about this website is that you can create your own quizzes or tests or games, or you can utilize what's already here in the library. And if you'll look, you can search for quizzes on any topic, and literally it has any topic. So you have math, English, social studies, world languages, science, computer science. All of these quizzes have already been created. And the fun part of these quizzes is that they come across almost like a game format. They're a little gamified, so that makes them more engaging for students. It also can be a competition, so you can either have a game against all the students, or you can assign something as homework. So it can have a competitive element, or it can just be given for homework. Students are able to receive immediate feedback after they take the quiz. They'll know which ones they got wrong or how many they got wrong. And so it's a very fun way to engage students and collect classroom data. Even though you won't know the individual student's score, you can see how your classroom is doing as a whole. And this might help you do some assessing as to what other elements you might need to teach or reteach as you can see your students' results. The website has a very good tutorial that's easy to follow, and it's a kind of a very step-by-step process. Really, the only drawback that I can see to this resource is that you can't really modify a test that's already been made. And so if you're working with some students who might need some modifications, this might not be the best tool for you to use. I do think that there are a lot of really great things about this tool, and I look forward to using it in my classroom. Thanks so much. Have a great day.